G'day Australia, I'm Coram E from Audiocom Mobile Electronics, and today I'm in a Bobcat, which we've just pimped with this 7-inch multimedia system with reverse camera. So this is a pack available from Audiocom Mobile Electronics. We build this into Bobcat T66s exclusively for Clark equipment. So if you get a new Bobcat from Clark equipment, then you've got the option to upgrade with a 7-inch multimedia system. This great Pioneer with reverse camera edition. I'm going to flip the camera, show you some of the features here. So we've got a great 7-inch unit. We've got this custom carbon fiber mounting kit that we've built exclusively for the Bobcat. We've engineered this in-house and we produce these in Western Australia for the T66 Bobcat for Clark equipment. Now this has this great carbon fiber trim fascia and housing with the microphone built into the front. Behind here are some heavy duty steel brackets, so this is very solid. Now, some key features of the Pioneer which makes it perfect for this application is the following. It does picture-in-picture. So you can have your radio or Bluetooth or audio features up here in this screen. This is all customizable too. You can change the size of these, move them around. And then as well as that, you can have the reverse camera image, picture-in-picture visible at all times. Then if we select that, you can go big on these screens. We have a full package available on the website with all of the gear you need, including a plug-and-play interface and all of this mounting hardware and the camera and the cable to link the two. And we've even got some DIY videos to show you how to get it all done. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something here today. And yes, you can pimp your Bobcat with Clark equipment or Audiocom Mobile Electronics.